Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif All welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit or retouch the skin without any kind of plugins. That means you need no plugins in a Photoshop to retouch your photo. Okay, at first I'm going to the file and press open. After opening up, I downloaded some photos. Anushka Shetty, this actress actually. Okay, I downloaded her photo and I'll retouch her photo today, and let's see. Okay, press Ctrl O for the fit with the screen, and here is some just right up. I don't remove that one. Okay, after that I'll go to the filter. Before that, just press another copy of this layer and going to the filter and camera raw filter. After going to the camera raw filter, I will adjust the skin color actually, and skin color like that. At first the shadow little bit, highlight I'll down. Okay, after that I'll go to HSL, and the skin color is orange, that's why I'm increasing this one and decreasing the saturation of the orange little bit, and increase the red luminance and decrease the red luminance and increase the red saturation, and making like that. Okay, the dress color is blue aqua mix up, so that's why I'm going to the saturation of blue, increase this one, and luminance I'll reduce, and after that hit the OK button. Okay, and after that press Ctrl J and J, two layer. I'll make dodge burn technique, or I'll apply dodge burn technique in this photo, turning off this layer and selecting this layer, making it skin. After that, blending options. From the blending option, I'll slide this slider and find out the highlighted area of the face. Press the Alt button and divide this one. Okay, yeah, and hit the OK button and mask it. Going to the image, apply image, and hit the OK button. After that, turn on the layer and make it multiply, and after that right click, blending options, and find out the shadow areas and press the Alt button and divide this one. After that, hit the OK button and mask it, and go to the image and apply image. In this case, make it invert and hit the OK button. Select these two layer, make it group, make it mask and image, apply image. Just uncheck the invert option and hit OK. You'll get lots of change over there. Okay, after that take a blank layer and go to the color picker, this one red color, and select this one, and I'll zoom in and take the brush from the brush palette, and first brush, and the brush size is 100 pixel or the hardness 0%, and I'll make it just smaller and brush over there. Okay, go to the soft light and make the opacity down, and after that make the fill down a little bit, opacity a little bit. Okay, that's good. But when you are just brushing, be careful about that. So I'm brushing it again, taking a new blank layer and zooming in, taking the brush, taking the color which is the dark color, and brush over there. When you are brushing that, be careful. If the color is going to the outside, it won't be not good for this photo, so be careful when you are brushing over there. Okay, I'm controlling the brush by pressing third bracket opening and closing, and it's the secret of this photo editing. Okay, after that go to the soft light, and go to the level actually, and make it mask, and you can make it dark. Okay, and I am decreasing the opacity a little bit. That's good. That's the natural face color with a lipstick. Okay, that's nice. And select all the layers, make it group, make it merge. After that go to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter I will smooth the face actually. For that I'm going to the detail option, increase the detail, not too much. I'll add some smooth noise reducer and contrast also, and hit the OK button. Okay, let's see what was the previous one. This one is the previous image, which is non-edited image, and after edit without no plugins you can smooth the skin of your photos and the color contrast, everything. You can make it more shiny or more attractive if you want. Again I'm going to the filter and camera filter, and after that from the filter option or the effects option I'll dehaze this one a little bit and add some just vignette over there. And from the exposure I'll add some exposure, add some contrast, and add some blacks, desaturate a little bit. Yes, that's good, and hit the OK button. After that now I will work with the eyes, so taking another new blank layer and going to the filter actually brush, and just reset this one. Take the white portion and zoom in, increase the brush size, and just click once and make it the overlay. You'll get more shiny eyes before and after. Okay, taking in a group and making it merge, and the previous one and present one. This one is the technique of retouch your fashion photography or model photography. So you need no plugins to edit this one. You have to use the Creative Cloud 17 or 18. That's it. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.